Yeah, I kind of like that. Hey guys, I'm Rich. Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new here, hope you like what you see and you want to hit that subscribe button down below. If you've been here for a while, you've been waiting for this, you've been asking for this, today we are going to tint Roxy's headlights. Let's do that, and we're gonna do this. Okay, so I've never actually tinted headlights before. Okay, you've seen me do the fog lights, but I winged that. It worked out all right. So let's be honest, we're gonna completely ignore this and just hope it works. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. So, okay, the first thing we need to do, as you do with all wrap things, you just need to make sure you get a nice clean surface. I'm planning to go right up to this line, so therefore we don't get as much shine through in the bonnet post. Most people don't do that, but I'm going to do it. Why not? My car, my rules. Make sure she's nice and clean. I have to clean this car anyway. Don't give me rubbish about not cleaning the car. I know I need to do it. It's on the list. Nice and clean. The instructions that I didn't really read did say use water on this, but I didn't have much luck when I did the fog lights on that, so I'm going to ignore that advice and hope that I don't ruin it. But hey, if I ruin it, I just have to do it again.
You wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side.
Okay, big reveal time on the second one. Let's peel the film off and see how she looks. So, probably can't see on the camera, there's a few more bubbles than I hoped for, but like I said at the beginning, I've never done this before, so I think he came out okay. I can always live with him for a little bit and then do a dull over it, so it's not the end of the world. I'm going to live with these for a little bit and see how she looks. Yeah, I kind of like that. So, there we have it. So it did turn out a little bit more bubbly than I was hoping for. What is annoying, it's frustrating, you know, all that jazz, but ultimately I don't think it looks too bad. So I'm gonna live with it for a bit, and if I decide I don't like it, well, no, me being a perfectionist probably will happen, but at that point I'll buy some more, I'll redo it, I'll try a different technique, we'll see what happens. But I think it looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna end the video here. What I'd like to say is thank you for watching. If you got to this point, big thumbs up from you guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your mates. That's it. We out.